Welcome to Crossplane. Welcome, everyone. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to explore Crossplane, a revolutionary tool that extends Kubernetes capabilities to manage cloud infrastructure. This video is designed for beginners, aiming to provide a foundational understanding of Crossplane and its benefits. What is Crossplane? Crossplane is an open source Kubernetes add-on that enables you to manage your cloud resources just like Kubernetes objects. It allows for the provisioning and management of cloud services and infrastructure directly from the Kubernetes API using the Kubernetes declarative syntax. Why use Crossplane? The power of Crossplane lies in its ability to simplify cloud resource management. It brings infrastructure as code to life, enabling DevOps and development teams to manage cloud services directly through Kubernetes without needing in-depth knowledge of each cloud provider. This fosters a more agile and efficient approach to cloud resource management. Core concepts of Crossplane. Crossplane introduces several core concepts crucial for its operation: providers, managed resources, composite resources, XRs, and claims. Understanding these concepts is key to effectively using Crossplane for cloud resource management. Providers in Crossplane. Providers are extensions within Crossplane that package the necessary logic to communicate with different cloud providers' APIs. Each provider allows Crossplane to manage resources in cloud services like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, and more. By installing these providers, you unlock the ability to manage a wide range of cloud resources directly from your Kubernetes cluster. Managed resources. Managed resources are the most granular level of resource within Crossplane. They represent individual cloud service instances, such as a database or a compute instance, which are managed directly by Crossplane through the provider's API. Managed resources are defined declaratively, allowing precise control over cloud services. Composite resources (XRs). Composite resources or XRs enable you to define custom cloud resource configurations that abstract away cloud provider specific details. XRs allow teams to create their own higher level infrastructure components, making it easier to manage complex setups and ensure consistency across environments. Resource claims. Resource claims are used by application developers to request cloud resources without needing to know the specifics of the underlying infrastructure. They abstract away the complexity, allowing developers to focus on their applications while Crossplane takes care of provisioning the requested resources. Setting up Crossplane. Getting started with Crossplane involves installing it on your Kubernetes cluster and configuring it to communicate with your cloud provider. This process typically involves applying a provider package and setting up credentials, enabling Crossplane to manage resources in your cloud account. Deploying a simple application. Let's walk through deploying a simple application using Crossplane. We'll define a managed resource for a database, create a composite resource for our application's infrastructure, and then deploy an application that uses these resources. This practical example will illustrate how Crossplane simplifies cloud resource management. Best practices and tips. As you begin your journey with Crossplane, remember a few best practices. Always version control your configuration files, document your custom resources and their purposes, and engage with the Crossplane community for support and to share your experiences. Conclusion and next steps. We've covered the basics of Crossplane and its capabilities in managing cloud infrastructure. As you continue to explore, remember that practice is key. Experiment with different providers, resources, and configurations. to gain a deeper understanding. The Crossplane community is vibrant and supportive, providing a wealth of resources to help you on your journey. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share it. Thank you for watching Cloud Obby.